is exactly what I was hoping for when I saw the description.
We are out here at this brand new science professional development. It's called Science at its Peak, and it's focused on helping teachers and science leaders become more familiar with the Colorado academic standards for science. House Bill 24-1446 was passed by the legislature and provides $3 million for professional learning for science educators in the state of Colorado. The goal of it is really just to help teachers become familiar and more practiced in the current Colorado academic standards.
And so about 20 of us educators and facilitators and leaders across the state were asked to do a training that would help us to train others all across the state about the science curriculum, because there is a need to have all of our students be able to experience general science phenomena and be able to be our next generation science students.
I recently moved from another state, and the standards are slightly different, and so I was looking at the best way to apply them. So that was the thing, how to implement the Colorado standards and be more familiar with them.
The thing I love the most about this is the fact that we're using the expertise in the room. So we are bringing some knowledge, but we're using that to help the teachers to be able to think about what this looks like in their classroom and how we can adapt the things that we already have to focus on what we need from students in science now.
The ideas that I'll be able to use in my classroom, seeing ideas as far as how the standards, how I can apply them and actually use them in the classroom with my students. I think that's been the most helpful thing.
We currently are scheduled for 10 through October of 2025. But we're going to be constantly adding to that. The funding will last until 2027. So our hope is that we'll be able to offer a great many more of these sessions.
And they'll find that it's so engaging for them, but also engaging for the students in a way that science is for all, no matter where you are, what your background is. And I hope that they take on that with them so they can bring it into their classroom to have students feel that science is fun and that anyone can do it.